Hi, I'm Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 3, Section 2, number 34, which reads, From Michelangelo's David to Vincent van Gogh's series of self-portraits to Grant Wood's iconic image of a farming couple in American Gothic, these works by human artists have favored representations of members of their own species to those of other species. The correct answer to this question is dependent on your ability to pick out an independent clause. What's an independent clause? It's a clause that could stand alone as its own sentence. So when you look at your answer choices, you see answer choice A, there's a period right here. Answer choice B, period right here. Answer choice C, semicolon. For a semicolon, you have to have a complete thought before and after. In other words, an independent clause before and after. In other words, something that could stand alone as its own sentence before and after. And when we read this sentence up to the word Gothic, we see that it is not a complete thought. From Michelangelo's David to Vincent van Gogh's series of self-portraits to Grant Wood's iconic image of a farming couple in American Gothic. Basically what it's saying is, from this to that, and that's not a complete thought. So, it cannot be A, cannot be B, and it cannot be C. Correct answer has to be offset by a comma, since you do not have an independent clause before it. So, I'm going to read through it again with answer choice D in place, and you're going to see that that is the correct answer. From Michelangelo's David to Vincent van Gogh's series of self-portraits to Grant Wood's iconic image of a farming couple in American Gothic, works by human artists have favored representations of members of their own species to those of other species. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble identifying an independent clause. Remember, it's got to have a subject and a verb, and it's got to be a complete thought. We don't have any verb before that period or before that semicolon. If there's any video you'd like to see from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.